In this video, we unbox and test this dirt cheap water crossing sand buggy. Oh, backflip! Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. Guys, in this video, we're going to unbox and bash this FX Racing Victory X. And it's dirt cheap, so check the link down below. Subscribe. So this thing's got a brushless motor and paddle tyres, so it should be able to run on water. So, what you get in the box is obviously the car, the radio, stickers, instruction book, little tool thingamajig, LiPo and charger. The only thing you need to supply yourself is 4 AA batteries. Now, having a look at the LiPo, this is actually a 3S LiPo 30C, and you can normally tell the quality of a battery just because they feel fairly weighty and firm. So I'm guessing this is actually going to be pretty good, but we're going to know more when we actually test the car. To charge it up, all you have to do is plug that into there and that into there. Yeah, you're probably not supposed to let it dangle like that, but yeah, anyway. So while that's charging up, let's have a quick look what's inside. Starting from the front end, we've got double wishbone suspension with pivot ball hubs. We've got steel drive shafts, and the shock absorbers have threaded shock bodies and are all aluminium constructions. So moving further on down the chassis, we have the receiver box here, the servo here, the brushless motor and the brushless speed controller. The speed controller actually on this thing does look like a rebranded Hobby Wing, but don't take me to that because I don't really know. So moving on to the rear, the same again as the front end, but we've got adjustable turnbuckles on the top so we can adjust all the cambers. We've still got the steel drive shafts and we've got the same shock absorbers. Now the chassis on this is made of plastic, and a lot of people, they think that if an RC car has got a plastic chassis, it's no good, and that is so far from the truth. Now, I'm not saying that all plastic chassis are good, some break relatively easy, but some of my strongest RC cars like the Traxxas Slash and the Traxxas X-Max and also the Traxxas Rustler 4x4, they all come with a plastic chassis, and I would say for the most part they are usually stronger than manufacturers that use a metal chassis, because the trouble with a metal chassis is that they can bend relatively easily, as you know, especially if I don't use high grade aluminium. So we're going to see how good this chassis on this actually is. Then having a look down the centre here, we have a metal centre drive shaft, and in there we have a slipper clutch. I'm going to put a link down below where you can get the full details of this car. One nice touch is that it comes with aluminium 12mm wheel hexes, and have a look at how aggressive these tyres look. These are going to be epic over water and of course over sand. Alright, so I'm going to chuck on a normal set of tyres just so we can give it a quick blast now, and then tomorrow, if the weather holds up, we're going to take it up to Sandy Hills and try this thing out in the sand. Alright, so we've got all those wheels on there now. By the way, you can buy all the spare parts of these from Banggood, which is one thing to consider when buying yourself a brand new RC car, is that you can actually buy spare parts for them, because there's nothing worse than getting yourself a brand new toy, taking it out, breaking it, and then not being able to find any spare parts for it. Alright, battery's in, radio's on, let's try it out. Alright, so steering, not the fastest, let's see how fast it goes. Whoa! Guys, this has got some power. Look at this, these bumpers are made of such flexible plastic. And what that means is that when you crash, they're going to flex rather than smash. So I'm hoping that the rest of the plastics on this car are going to hold up the same. We're ready to give it a blast in the workshop. Alright, can it get up the wooden hill? Straight on that thing. Alright, so guys, tomorrow, if we go to, are we going to Sandy Hills tomorrow?
Yeah, that's where we're meeting.
Yeah, so tomorrow, Sandy Hills, we're going to put the paddle tyres back on, we're going to check it out in the sand. Alright guys, we're at Sandy Hills, the first outing for the FS buggy, so let's give it a little blast and see how well it can do. We've got a whole load of sand over there, look, so we're going to try it in the dirt here, and then we're going to take it over to the sand. Oh, check this thing out with the sand paddles. Oh, Oh, sorry, Steve. This thing's got loads of power. Oh my God. 4-wheel. That's got loads of power. Alright, I'm gonna get over to Sam. Apologise about the wind, guys, but it is what it is. But look, the sun's still out. Ready? Oh, oh my God. Dude, this moves. Oh! Guys, this thing is angry. Tumbly wumbly. Guys, I'm surprised how fast it is. That is crazy. That is absolutely insane. That's like Rustler 4x4 speed. Look at that move. Look at it go. That's mad. Alright, let's see how well it can climb the sand hill. Straight up, no messing about. Oh guys, look at that, straight up. We used to drive up this with the Land Rovers when I was a full-size Defender 90. I didn't like us doing it, so they put this block thing in. But now, it's a good jump for the RCs. Oh, backflip and nailed it. Look at that, getting up there, easy, no messing about. I'll tell you what guys, it's giving me a good workout. I'm running after it here. And I'm generally out of breath, that's pretty steep. When I had my real Land Rover, it could get up there, but only just. This just does it easy. All right, see if we can get a backflip out of it. Oh! All right, let's try again. Yes, nailed it, second attempt. Oh, guys, I can't wait until the weather warms up a bit and we can take this actually underwater. Yes! Oh, straight in the face. That's the only downside to the paddle tyres, is that when you nail it and if you're behind it, it all goes in your face. So far, guys, it seems to be holding up perfectly. I can't see any damage yet. Everything works perfectly, so just carry on. Oh, in the face again. Alright, can we go for another backflip? Oh no, it landed on its head. What happened? Oh no. Yes! Nailed it! What about coming back the other way? Yes! Everyone's having a tea break. What's up, Pat? Pat said, will it backflip off a tree? It's not getting the grip on the wood. Nah, it's not getting the grip. Nah. Oh! Oh! I think I've jumped further than any of you lot so far. Yeah. Has anybody jumped and landed at the bottom yet? Not yet. Not yet? The FS did. Oh, front flip, and it crashed. Oh! Oh, Stephen, check out the flexibility of it all.
Yeah. Mitchell's Helion Invictus.
Yeah, is it the same?
Snap.
What?
So that means you can get RPMs for the front.
Wow.
And the back.
So what car's this? Helion Invictus?
Yeah. But it's
the same?
It is exactly the same.
What's it like with it under the body?
I bet it's exactly the same.
Did you have a look?
Yeah.
It's the exact same. Same ESC. Alright guys, the wind noise was so bad you could barely hear what we were saying. But under the lid, they look almost exactly the same. They share almost every single part the same. So the one that Stephen's got here is the Helion Invictus or Victus or something like that. And it looks exactly the same. The only difference really is the shocks. The Helion comes with sort of normal shocks and the FS Racing comes with threaded shocks. Alright, so Stephen's driving out. Hey! Oh, we're not flat out. There we are. Oh, where are you going? Nice. Well, it was nice to see that bit.
Exactly what you wanted.
Yeah. Oh, right, so first thoughts, super duper impressed with it. It's really strong, it's really fast, it takes a beating, it handles good. It's just over the sand, it was just absolutely insane. The only downside I would say so far is the servo is a little bit on the slow side, but for the price, that's really not a major big deal, and it's an easy upgrade and not difficult to change out. So guys, that is it for this video. As I said, the link to this car is down below. So if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe, bell button. See you soon. Bye.